Guys, so we have our pancetta. And we are making arancini carbonara. Let's put the saffron.
Go.
Turn it off. Yes or no?
Turn off the kettle very carefully. It's boiling water, remember.
All right, we have our saffron water that is mixing together.
Good job, man.
And we want to give the yellow color to the rice.
Excellent.
We don't push because you do it.
Exactly.
And if you ain't to. Guys, so we are gonna put the olive oil and we are not burning the onion. It's not gonna make me cry.
Coming in 2, 3, 1, go.
Put salt.
Oh, ¿y tú estabas aquí?
We are
Excellent.
cover it and we let it cook. Right, let's put the saffron liquid. Guys, look. You can see that the pancetta is cooking. If you don't want to use pancetta, you can use guanciale. That's what people use. I think I use pancetta because it's hard to find guanciale.
Go.
Alright, we have our 2 egg yolks. We are adding. We have 2 egg yolks and 2 whole eggs. We need to beat the eggs. It's spinning. Be generous with the black pepper. Be generous with the black pepper. Right. Let's add the pecorino. Again. Right, we are putting the butter in.
Good.
All right, we are putting the rice. And just so you know, we are putting this, make it a little bit creamy, not too much. All right, we are putting the rice. Let's put more pecorino. Put the guanciale grease and beat again. And it's gonna take the eggs to the next level. Do we make?
Wow, man, that looks delicious.
Yeah, I'm making arancini carbonara. Cut the mozzarella block into little cubes. You can use fior di latte or dry mozzarella, not shredded mozzarella.
That's good.
Wow.
So, wow, Manning, what are we doing right now?
We are
Yeah.
open the bag.
Muchacho mal educado, le voy un trompón.
Let's add a little bit more. It's gonna.
Wait.
I'm doing the rest.
Let me pick up this rice.
Let me collect it.
Wait, hey. The egg is gonna make it sticky. The carbonara. Put some carbonara in there.
First pancetta and then the egg mix. Let's add a little bit more rice to make it look pretty.
Give it to me.
Then you squeeze as you want.
Oh no.
I'm doing it. use the egg whites or we're gonna crack 2 eggs?
Look, we use the egg. I give it to you and you do the bread, okay? Okay. Wow!
Alright. This is the ultimate arancini carbonara.
Good morning.